are you? This is your girl J Baby, and welcome back to the channel. So y'all, listen, we have a bomb wig. Bomb in the fact of it looks like Brazilian straight virgin hair. This is not Brazilian straight virgin hair. Oh, I forgot the length, but I will put the length down. We talking about it's butter soft, so butter soft. But this is the Freetress Equal Freedom Part Lace Front Wig, and it's the name of it is Freedom Part Lace 204, and I got it in the color number 1. You will see me displaying with, you know, the specs, the combs, and everything. But check it out. What I love most about this wig, not even the hair. I love the hair, but the most part I love is that it has grip, like a grip band in here. You know, like shapewear has that little plastic where so everything don't roll down. Well, this has that in it along the head, and I love it. I don't have no lace glue in here at all, none. If you can see, no lace glue. But what I did struggle, guys. But before I say that, you can shift this wig. This wig can go in the middle, it can go to right or the left with your parting. I did go in and pluck some hair out, but I struggled as far as the baby hairs, y'all. So that's the only spec that I do have. The con, you know, that's the only con I do have, y'all, is that I could not get the baby hairs from, because the lace was so small and it was close to the line of the hair where you could see the tracks. I could not even get the baby hairs, girl. But who, y'all already know me. If I got to climb over mountains, honey, to get some baby hairs down, I'm gonna climb over mountains to get the baby hairs down. So I really went on and aggressively. When I say aggressively, you're gonna see me struggle. But I said, you know what? I went on and got some baby hairs down, and I am pleased with the whole look now. So I did put some foundation in. So I'm gonna be quiet and just go ahead and put some music on and just let you see me do this install. And if I don't come back, be blessed and not stressed, guys. Mwah.